Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just create a custom header on your Shopify. So to do that, just log in or sign up with your ID in your Shopify. And as you can see here, in the settings, you have to click here. And here we have to scroll down. And here we have a five option of brand. You have to just click here. So here it's asking for logo and square. So you have to just add your logo, whichever logo you have. So you can make the logo from Canva app or just use Canva software. As you can see here, using here Canva. So let's make a logo for our business and make a custom header. So from here, when you will add a logo, then it will show in your header. Okay, website header. So here we can see Canva is not IP server, could not found. We have to go to canva.com. So here we have to continue with mail. So we can just continue with our mail. Here we can search as logo. As you can see, logo. And then press enter. So here we can see we have logo for the brand. So let's make this as our logo. So as you can see, that you can just like make your logo from here. So you can just like our site is for electronics, so you can just like make a electronic type of logo. So to make that, you just come home and you can see as here as uh, electronics logo. Okay, so you just go. So here you can see we have electronic logo. So we can make a logo for electronic store. We can make this logo. It's looking nice. So again, we have to just name the our brand. So we can make as Electra. Okay, Electra, Electra. We can just make. You can just download from here. Or you want to edit this logo, you can just change this color and make your custom colors. So as you can see, you can just do this as red and this red as you can see. This red you can just change to green or blue. So here we can see we can just make it changes and just so we can make it like this. This is also looking nice, so we can do like this. Okay, so we can just be creative and make a nice logo. So for example of this video, I am making a logo very fast. So if you want to make, you can just make. Okay, so you can just use this logo if you have a like a art and design brand. So let's go, let's add our logo. So to add that, we can just drag and drop here. So it's not taking, so we can just here click here. So from here it's saying add image, so we can just drop it here. So it will be uploaded. So it's uploading. So as you can see, we can just click on that. So as you can see, this logo is ready over. The logo is ready. So we can just save it. So to like we have made a customized header. So we can just go here at theme, as you can see. So here we have option to customize. Just click on customize. So as you can see, here we can see as our we can see the logo. So to see the logo, this is header. So we can just edit it. Okay, so you can go here and just like here's remove this menu. No, so logo at left top. Okay, so it will come. Okay, it will come. It will like taking a time. So your logo will come at left top. So here you can see you can just to menu, you can just change the menu. So if you want to remove it. So as you can see, we can just change the color of our header also. So let's make it like it is color. Just looking good. So here you can see country, region, sector. So enable country, region, sectors. So here you can see language selector. You can just enable it. You can just add the logo position at left. We can just do, or we can just do at center. And here is spacing. So we can just make the space. So let's the space is okay between. So we can do padding also. So let's increase the padding. So decrease, it's not looking good. So we can just do this is looking good better. So if you want to like uh, add here your social link, you can add. It will be shown here. Okay, you can just add here your logos. So we have to just save it and let us check on our desktop. Okay, so when you click on here, exit. So here we have option to view your store. So as you can see, our store is ready. So header is ready. So our logo is not coming. It should come. So let us go to customize again. So here we can see as our header, we can just add a block of logo, add a section for logo. So there is no logo section. We can just do here. So it should come. It's not okay. So okay, it's just this. So we can just change it. We can just remove this menu. Okay, we can just select the other menus. So we can just do to main menu, close it. So here you can see we have like logo. So here we have to add the logo. Okay, so as you can see our logo is here. So we have made a custom logo. So we can just it will look like this. We can just here. So this is, you can see this logo is looking like this. So someone want to like buy from a product, we can just buy from here. So we have made a custom header. So this how you can just make a custom header using your Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.